Alright guys, so today we have a 4runner 2005 V6 two-wheel drive, and I've had this car for about 2 years, and about a year and a half ago, right after I bought it, I realized that I was getting an alarm that was coming from the gas cap. So I replaced the gas cap with an original one, and the problem was coming from the seal that's in here, that it was not making a good seal with the edge of the tank, with the edge of the spout of the tank. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to do some preventive maintenance, and I'm going to take this gasket and replace it with a new one. I'll be showing you the part number so that if you want to do this, you could do it. Okay, so here is the new seal. You can buy this out of AutoZone. You can buy it in Amazon. I bought this particular one out of Amazon, and it's only like a few dollars. I think it was like $3 or $4. I'll be putting the information on the video if you want to do it. And let's see how we replace this. The very first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a little pick. So we're going to take a little pick. It's going to help us get the oil seal out. So this is the oil seal, and as you can see, it comes right out. No big issue. It's still in pretty good shape. It's a little compressed. Let's see how it compares to the new one. So we're gonna get the new one out, and you can see there's a little bit of difference. You can see the compression there. It's usually just a good idea just to replace these gaskets every year or two, just to keep them maintained. Make sure there's no air going inside of these gas tank that can throw a fault or a check engine light. So to put it in, we're just gonna go ahead and slide it over the plastic piece of the gas cap and slide it on. And there you are, brand new seal on your gas cap. This particular gas cap is also a replacement. I'll put the part number on the video, see if you want to get that. It took me a while because the ones that I was able to buy in the parts stores like AutoZone and O'Reilly's and parts like that, they did not quite fit just right, and they were always a little bit loose. This one is the original. You can also buy it out of Amazon. And the difference with this one is that once you get it in, it will actually make a click. And once it makes this click, that means that it's reached a seal. So that's the way that you want to do it. And that was a super hard video. It requires at least a 4-year degree from college, accredited university, of course. And it's actually completely easy to do. It takes almost zero skill, and it'll help your truck. So I advise everybody to take a look at it. Please subscribe, send me comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, so today's episode of 4runner Ninja was brought to you by beer, because otherwise it would be work.